This is the other freight elevator by the Sears and Roebuck. This one's probably the cleanest of all the freight elevators. There's 4 freights out of all those. This one's the cleanest. Close the door. Stop switch intact. 2,500 pound capacity. On the one. The certificate must have been over there before they relocated to the office, as stated here. This one's pretty clean. Well, this one plops to level, almost like a Schindler. Elevator 8, Class A loading. Opens right outside to a loading dock, it appears. Is this one still beat up? Yep, it is. Let me help you out there, Peely. No wonder these leads keep coming in. Poor leaf. Let's watch that. Can't quite see up there. You can see all the stuff that's required to put a behemoth like this in. This one's clean. We'll close the door. That's it.